as of my last knowledge update in January 2022. Wondershare Filmora is a video editing software that is generally well received by users, especially those who are new to video editing. Filmora provides a user-friendly interface with a range of features that make it easy for beginners to create professional-looking videos. Key features of Wondershare Filmora include 1. User-friendly interface. Filmora is known for its intuitive and easy-to-use interface, making it accessible for those who may not have extensive experience in video editing. 2. Built-in effects and transitions. The software offers a variety of built-in effects, filters, and transitions that users can easily drag and drop onto their footage to enhance the visual appeal of their videos. 3. Text and titles. Filmora provides tools for adding text, titles, and credits to your videos, with a selection of fonts and customization options. 4. Audio editing. Users can edit and enhance audio tracks, add background music, or use the built-in audio library to improve the overall audio quality of their videos. 5. 4K editing support. Filmora supports 4K video editing, allowing users to work with high-resolution footage. 6. Export options. It offers various export options, including the ability to directly upload videos to social media platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. While Filmora is generally praised for its simplicity and affordability, it may not have as many advanced features as some professional video editing software. Professional video editors may find it somewhat limiting in terms of advanced functionality. Keep in mind that software updates and user reviews can change over time, so it's a good idea to check the latest reviews and features of Wondershare Filmora from reliable sources or the official website to get the most up-to-date information.